and it's settling down. Only some. Okay, enough I think so. I need to store it very well. Now I am stirring it because the sedimentation will give it some back of time. Now I am mixing it totally. And see the alum water and see the without alum water. Let it be sediment. I am getting another glass. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. My brother is coming so fastly and showing for you how to do the yardstick. Now my brother is come up. As you know, we need 4 cups. This is the race between an alum one and an alum one. We kept the race, think it's a race, and now it's the main cultivator activity. I'm pouring some sawdust. And some soil. Now I came off. I'm ready now and I'm mixing it. Stir it well. After my brother do this. Okay? Let me let it settle down. I think I need to add some more soil. I'm adding it. Enough, brother. Okay, my brother. Now let's do the main part. They have given 4 sticks, a piece, because I had already done. These are tapes which are very powerful, which cannot be taken out. So I kept it. I'm keeping it in 4 sides. One be my little brother. Like this. Keep it like this. You do this. Keep this one like this. That's it. I press something. Pressed it. Last time. Again do. As if I did. Oh man, we did all wrong. Why? We did the upside to downside. Now we are putting this. See? After that, this. Okay? And I'm connecting this, joining this. Attach to this and attach to that. And I'm keeping a funnel over here. Yes. Empty cup, and I'm sticking it here. These are the tapes given by acid, which are very powerful and cannot be taken out. I have stirred it well. Keep in this, and I'm pouring. I forgot one thing. This is the filter paper. It's like a tissue, but it has small holes. We cannot even imagine. We had kept it like this. Let us keep it like this. I'll pour some weight. I can say you one thing. After pouring alum, we should we poured alum here. But after pouring the alum, if we stir it, it will get damaged and it will become slow. I am pouring slowly. See, it's coming. I have poured some more. See, it's like clear water, but there is still soluble impurities, which can be removed by distillation process. See, they are dropping in empty cup. I am pouring some more. Yes. Do one a little big, brother. See, my little brother. See how it's coming. See, they are all dropping. Oh man. Not. See. It's like clear water, my brother. Yes. And see the water droplets? Yes. It's so nice. And I'm pouring some more. Yes, big brother. A filter paper is used only for once. They had give extra filter paper, so I am doing it again in my home. Okay. See the sediment. This is also called as residue or sediment. Because we don't have much time, we are pouring it now itself. Otherwise, you can even let it to sediment, because it can even create some more. Pouring some more. Yes. See the black ones, which is called sediment. Yes. Or residue. Did you got it, little brother? Yes. Have patience, my little brother. Little more is there. Two drops is there. Dropped everything, and there is a clear water.